Our language, KUCHE language, is rallied around three major sounds: the high pitch, the low pitch, and the middle pitch. And then somehow they interconnect. In the course of speaking the language, they interconnect to really give the sound the meaning that you intend. And so we are going to be looking at the sound. The sounds we are talking about are a, and a. Those three. And everything that happens around the meandering of the sound of the voice in order to code the meaning, it's all interwoven between those three sounds: a, and a. A is the middle sound. A is the high pitch. A is the low pitch, and a is the middle pitch, intermediate, or whatever you call it. Whatever is in the middle is neither high nor low. So as I'm speaking, you can be looking at the signs as I deliver them. Now we are talking about these sounds, so let's begin to practicalize them. Yeah, we said we represent the sound of the high pitch with a little arrowhead sitting on the vowels we are talking about. Now this vowel is A, and A is pronounced in Yoruba land as A. Strictly A. And even if we are going to have any variation, it's like a combination of an A and an O. You can say like pak, puk, or puk. This is puk with a little O on top. And this is A with a little arrowhead on top to indicate that the sound is at the on the high side. A. And this is O. And then if you go to the E, this is E. And this is E. That is I. E. How many vowels? 3 now. We have O. That is O. O goes with O with a high pitch. We are looking at the high pitch, just high pitch alone. O. Let's go back again. A. E. I. O. U. That is U. U goes for U. Now, I do not expect that somebody who does not understand alphabets should be starting with learning the alphabets. I assume that all of you understand the alphabets, and so we'll just go straight to attaching the signs of the pitches to the alphabet, our vowels, and that is that. Now, that's for the high pitch. Now we are going to the low pitch. Ah, ah. The sign ah is represented with the arrow pointing down, meaning the sound should go down. Remember, I'm telling you that I'm just trying to figure out this so that we can make reading of our language easier. Ah, that is that. Then, similarly, you take it to E, I. That's I. We have O. That's O. And then we have U. That is the U. And so, if you are going to apply it in that way, we can go back and read them in the manner that should be read. And then we'll have A. And then E. And then we have I. And then we have O. And then we have U. And so I think we are now going to go to the middle sound, which is a, a, and a is represented with a sound that with just a simple straight line, a little straight line, like a hyphen on top of the vowel we are referring to. So a, that is that. Similarly, just like we had in the other uh, the other the other vowels, we have a, o, uh. The is a combination of a and o, but it also has that slight line still represented with the small o still on top. And then we have e, e, that is e, and then we have e for the I, and we have o for the o, and we have u for the u. Now we are doing this so that we can lay a good foundation, so that when you are reading the language and you're even uh, learning to speak it, you will be able to have this thing in mind. So someone, when someone is speaking and you have to write it down, you'll be able to bring the letters to full representation. Um, um, we also have we have the other the other we have other letters. Now, I think that's all for the single sound representation. Now we have to one vowel, that is one vowel, one sound. One vowel, one sound, singular sounds. But we are going to be talking about how one vowel can combine two sounds, and the combination is still within these three sounds we are talking about. Now we learned about uh, and or e, and a, or u, u, or and u, and then and e, e, and e. So e, and then we also had o, o, and o. Those are the vowels that we have. And you can see that even though they are the same spelling, but they represent different sounds. So we can say in Yoruba language, we have more than 5 vowels by extension. And so let's just have that at the background. Thank you.